Hi everyone, I am A.K.S. Razvi, Joan Academy Executive Educator. And learners, good news for you. दोस्तों आज से मैं अपने इस YouTube चैनल पर डेली आपके लिए एक प्रैक्टिस सेशन लेकर के आऊंगा और ये जो प्रैक्टिस सेशन होगा कितने भी मिनट का हो डजंट मैटर बट आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रिंग फॉर यू ओनली एंड ओनली 15 क्वेश्चंस डेली एंड डेली लर्नर्स जो आपको ये 15 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे सो रियली हेल्पफुल होंगे चाहे वो किसी एग्जाम के लिए हो वो दोस्तों आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं और ये जो दोस्तों क्वेश्चंस है रियली काफी कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जो पीवाईक्यू से रिलेटेड है एंड सम ऑफ देम आर कि जिनको मैंने मॉडिफाई किया है सो वो आपके लिए काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और हेल्पफुल होंगे एंड वन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन लर्नर्स यू कैन आल्सो जॉइन माय पेड कोर्सेज at an academy and you can use my referral code that is AKS Razvi. By using this referral code you are going to get 10% extra discount in your academy courses. So learners, these are the plan and by the way my course is 6-month course. So learners 6-month course के साथ completely आप मुझे join कर सकते हैं. Now learners, this is the first practice session and daily learners आपको मिलने वाला है तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So learners, see whom did Keats regard as the prime example of negative capability. So learners, आपके पास options है जॉन मिल्टन, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, विलियम शेक्सपियर, पीवी शैली. तो दोस्तों आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर दे सकते हैं और मैं आपके लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ ओनली एंड ओनली 20 सेकेंड वेट करूंगा एंड यस यू कैन गिव. एंड बाय द वे लर्नर्स, अगर आपको ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए तो वीडियो को पॉज जरूर कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों चलिए इसके राइट आंसर को देख लेते हैं कि जॉन कीट्स ने निगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी के का प्राइम एग्जांपल किसे माना है. सो लर्नर्स, करेक्ट आंसर इज विलियम शेक्सपियर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. निगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी, सो लर्नर्स इसको कह सकते हैं आप सेल्फ SELF सेल्फ ऑब्लिवियन. सेल्फ ऑब्लिवियन इज नोन एज निगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी. जॉन कीट्स ने लर्नर्स कहा कि यस विलियम शेक्सपियर वाज फुल विद नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी. जब उन्होंने किसी हीरोइन के बारे में लिखा सो ही बिकम अ फीमेल वन. जब किसी हीरो के बारे में लिखा सो यस विलेन के बारे में विलेन. बाय द वे अगर घोस्ट्स के बारे में लिखा सो ही बिकम अ घोस्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई लर्नर्स करेक्ट आंसर इज सी विलियम शेक्सपियर. नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन. A posthumously published autobiographical novel by Irish author James Joyce Age. So learners, you have Stephen Hero, Bloom's Blunder, A Day in Life of Stephen Dedalus, and then learners, The Dead. So which one is the correct answer? Please learners, comment box में आप mention कर सकते हैं. So now let us see the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. Correct answer is A. Stephen Hero. This is a novel by whom? So learners, by James Joyce. And yes, the name of the novel is Stephen Hero, and this was published posthumously. It means after death. And learners, James Joyce जो एक Irish author है, so इनके कुछ और भी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है लाइक यूलिसिस, ULYSSES यूलिसिस. एंड यूलिसिस नाम का ये जो नॉवेल है जेम्स जॉयस का, सो इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1922. एंड जेम्स जॉयस दिस नॉवेल इज रिटन इन स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टेक्निक. स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टेक्निक. And let us do not forget कि यूलिसिस नाम की एक पोएम है by Alfred Lord Tennyson, a Victorian poet, a Victorian representative poet, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Next one question. So learners, this is the blank place. So yes, fill in the blank. The very word is like a well to toll me back from thee to my soul self. The very word is like a bell to toll me back from thee to my soul self. Which word? Bird, immortal, forlorn, fancy. So learners, please fill the blank. And these are the lines from a wonderful poem, a very famous poem So let us now see the correct answer. Correct answer is C. This is forlorn. Forlorn. Forlorn, forlorn. So this is the word, and learners, these are the lines from ode to a Nightingale. By whom? So learners, this is by Keats. John Keats, Ode to a Nightingale. These are the lines from this particular work, and then yes learners, these lines appears. And one more thing you must remember learners, आपके एग्जाम में जॉन कीट्स की जो लर्नर्स 5 बेस्ट ओड्स हैं, बेस्ट ओड्स ये आपके एग्जाम में पूछी जाती हैं. ओपनिंग लाइंस ऑफ एंटीमियन, and then learners opening lines of Endymion and about negative capability, and learners a few other facts like John Locke related to criticism and all. So yes learners, these are the important point related to John Keats. Next one, who among the following was not a member of Kit Kat Club? So Richard Steele, William Congreve, Joseph Addison, or John Gay. So learners, you have 4 options, and please do write the answer on comment box. Okay learners, now I am going to show you the correct answer. So see the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. D is the correct answer, John Gay. So learners, you have a club that is known as Kit Kat Member Club. So learners, Kit Kat members were Richard Steele, William Congreve, Joseph Addison, and learners, other members were also there. So please learners, अगर आप चाहें so Kit Kat Club को सर्च कर सकते हैं on Google, and then you will find yes, Pope and others were also there. So yes, Kit Kat Club. Interesting one. Correct answer is John Gay was not the member of Kit Kat Club. Correct answer is D. Next one, sexuality versus purity is the theme of which poem? Shelley's Alastor. Then learners, you have Byron's Manfred, Coleridge's Christabel, and Keats's Endymion. Sexuality versus purity is the theme of which poem? Okay, so see the correct answer. Correct answer is Christabel, and Christabel is a poem by whom? So yes, this is a poem by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and Christabel's poem is going to deal with sin versus religiosity, evil versus devotedness, and sexuality versus purity. So notice these are the themes: sin versus religiosity, and then evil versus devotedness, and then learners, you have sexuality versus purity. So these are the prominent theme of the poem Christabel by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. And yes learners, you know very well Samuel Taylor Coleridge is famous for supernatural writing. Next one question, which of the following poem by Tennyson it was inspired by his trip to Spain with his close friend Arthur Hallam? So yes learners, you have option The Beggar's Mat, Lotus Eaters, Ulysses, and you have Titmus. So correct answer is, please do write the answer on comment box. Okay, so now we are going to see the correct answer. So correct answer is B, it's Lotus Eaters. And Lotus Eaters is one of the best poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson. And Tennyson is known for In Memoriam, and this was appeared in 1850. And you have another poem. So this is Break, Break, Break. I have already uploaded. Break, Break, Break. So this is also a lyric. Break, Break, Break. And then let us The Princess Maud. So these are the important poems by Alfred Lord Tennyson, and he is known as the representative poet of Victorian England. And one more thing, learners, you must remember about Alfred Lord Tennyson. So these are the poems like Break, Break, Break and In Memoriam, and then learners you have other ones. So this is the Lotus Eater. So these are the poems associated with one figure. So who is he? So he is Arthur Hallam, Arthur Henry Hallam. He was fiance of Emily Tennyson. Emily Tennyson, sister of Alfred Lord Tennyson. Just learners. And on the death of earlier death of Arthur Henry Hallam, Tennyson has written these three poems: In Memoriam and Break, 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 Lotus Eaters. In Memoriam, this is the poem. This is near to heart of Queen Queen Victoria. Yes, after death of his husband. Now see the next one. Arrange the section of the wasteland in the order in which they appear in the poem. So you have the fire sermon, death by water, a game of chess, what the thunder said, and the burial of the dead. So learners, these are the 5 parts of the wasteland by T.S. Eliot, and please learners, arrange these all parts. So learners, correct answer of this question you may write on comment box, and now I am going to show you the correct answer. So the correct answer is D, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. So learners, 5, 3, and then 1, and then learners 2, and then you have 4. So learners, this is the right order. Right order. So first part is the burial of the dead, that has been taken from Angelican Burial Service. The fire sermon, so a game of chess. So learners, this is the title that has been derived from Thomas Middleton's work. Then the fire sermon. So this is the part that has been derived from Buddha's sermon. And then learners, you have another part. So death by water. So death by water, this is the 4th part. And then what the thunder said, so at the end you have 5th part, and learners, in the 5th part you can see the lines, Sanskrit lines, dat dayadham damita from Brahmanya Upanishad. So learners, these are the important part, and I have already covered the wasteland. Learners, you may search on YouTube the wasteland by A.K.S. Rasvi. Learners, Alfred Lord Tennyson is also available on my YouTube channel. So yes, you may watch the detailed video. Then let us next one question. Lawrence Stern's Tristram Shandy contains 6 volumes, 9 volumes, 10 volumes, or 4 volumes. So how many volumes are there in Tristram Shandy by Lawrence Stern? So let us see the correct answer. Now, this is the correct answer. Answer is B. How many volumes are there? So 9 volumes are there in Tristram Shandy by Lawrence Stern. And let us, Tristram Shandy is also known as the life and opinions of Tristram Shandy gentleman. And let us, yes, sometimes it is known as only Tristram Shandy, and this is the novel by Lawrence Stern, and published in how many volumes? So learners, in 9 volumes. You can see 9 volumes. And yes, learners, published in 9 volumes, and the first 2 appearing in 1759. Then learners, others were later was appeared. Yes, so 7 others following over the next 7 years. So yes, 5, 9. So you have 6, 0, 1, then 2, then 3, then yes, you can say 4, then 5, and then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, 66. So yes, other next 7 years. Okay, learners. So yes, these are the publication dates. And yes, learners, this is a wonderful book. And have you heard about 4 Wheels of Novel? So yes, you have Richardson, Fielding, Stern, and Smollett. Richardson, F-I-E-L-D-I-N-G, Fielding, S-T-E-R-N-E, Stern, and SMOLLET, small x. So learners, these are known as the four wheels of novel, and on the other hand, you have 7 university bits. You must remember because learners, हर बार आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है university bits. Now learners, next one question. Which of the following novel is a feminist and anti-colonial response to Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre? 1847. So after leaving Mr. Mackenzie, Good Morning Midnight, and then learners the quiet American, Wild Sargasso Sea. Which of the following novel is a feminist and anti-colonial response to Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre? So learners, which one is the correct answer? Please do write the answer on comment box. I'm waiting. So now learners, going to show you the correct answer, and if you are feeling कि time learners थोड़ा मैं कम दे रहा हूँ, so please do pause the video and then आप practice कर सकते हैं. So correct answer is D, Wild Sargasso Sea. Learners, this is the correct answer, and this is an anti-colonial response to Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre, 1847. So correct answer is D, Wild Sargasso Sea. Next one. The first unofficial royal poet laureate in English literary history was. The first unofficial royal poet laureate in English history was Ben Jonson, William Davenant, John Dryden, Thomas Shadwell. So learners, correct answer. Please do select the correct answer out of these four. Now see the correct answer on your screen. So correct answer is Ben Jonson. So learners, Ben Jonson can be considered as first unofficial royal poet laureate. Ben Jonson. But learners, official, who is official? So yes, John Dryden, official poet laureate, and he was poet laureate in court of Charles II. Okay learners, Charles II. Correct answer learners, A, Ben Jonson, unofficial royal poet laureate in English literary history. Now next one question on your screen. So learners, this is, who among the following is known for nightmarish vision of the future? Arthur Schopenhauer, Charles Darwin, A.N. Whitehead, and Aldous Huxley. So learners, these are the four options, and now select the right answer and do write on comment box. Learners, now you can see the correct answer. So the correct answer is D, it's Aldous Huxley. And Huxley is known for just dystopian writing. Aldous Huxley is known for dystopian writing. And learners, he is a wonderful short story writer too. Yes. And learners, now see the next one question on your screen. So the next one is Jyothan by Om Prakash Valmiki is. So a collection of poems, a play, a biography, a milestone in Dalit literature. Now see the correct answer on your screen. So the correct answer is D, a milestone in Dalit literature. So learners, Dalit literature से sometime question in your upcoming UGC NET exam आपको मिल जाते हैं, कहीं थोड़ा बहुत पूछे जाते हैं. So learners, a milestone in Dalit literature, Jyothan by Om Prakash Valmiki. Learners, beside Jyothan, you have other work that was published by Om Prakash Valmiki. So learners, you have सदियों का संताप 1989, बस बहुत हो चुका 1997, and अब और नहीं 2009, and he also wrote two collection of short stories. So this is Salam 2000, and then learners Ghuspaitiye, another one 2004, and learners he has also written Dalit Sahitya ka Saundarya Shastra, and then learners a history of the Valmiki community, Shafai Devata, and Do Chera. Learners, this is a play. So these are the works by Om Prakash Valmiki. And he is a wonderful author, a wonderful storyteller, yes, in Dalit literature canon. Now see the next one. How many legends of good women could Chaucer complete in his Legend of Good Women? So option 1, 6, option 2, 7, and option C, 8, and option D, 9. So how many legends are there in Legends of Good Women by Geoffrey Chaucer? So learners, now you can see the correct answer on your screen. So the correct answer is D. 9 legends are there, 9 women legends are there in Legends of Good Women by Geoffrey Chaucer. See learners, Cleopatra, Thisbe, Dido, and then learners you have here, yes, Hypsile, and then Medea, Lucrece, Ariadne, Philomela, Phyllis, and then Hypermnestra. So these are the women characters that are mentioned in Legend of Good Women by Geoffrey Chaucer. Because Chaucer was just blamed that he has written bad enough about women. So that's it. Next one learners. The Round Table is a collection of essays jointly written by Charles Lamb and William Hazlitt. Option 1 and option 2, Charles Lamb and Leigh Hunt. Option 3, William Hazlitt and Leigh Hunt. And then option 4, William Hazlitt and Thomas De Quincey. So let us do write the correct answer on comment box, please. Now see the learners' right answer. So the right answer is third one, William Hazlitt and Leigh Hunt. So learners, Romantic Age. Romantic Age is known for two major genres. So first one is poetry, and learners, second one is criticism. And learners, in poetry you can see the Lake School of Poets, Satanic School of Poets, and other poets too. Nature poetry, and then learners, different kind of ballads, odes are also there. And learners, on criticism you can see William Wordsworth, Preface to Lyrical Ballad, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, Biographia Literaria, and on Shakespeare. Hazlitt and Hunt, so they are also wonderful critique. Thomas De Quincey, so Knocking at the Gate in Macbeth, and let us another work. So this is Confession of an English Opium Eater. So these are the important work from this particular period. Now let us, so correct answer is The Round Table is a collection of essays by William Hazlitt and Leigh Hunt. So this is the correct answer, William Hazlitt and Leigh Hunt. So C is the correct answer. And how many essays are there? So 40 essays are there. And 1817, this is the year when these were published. And you must remember learners, in this particular year, Endymion by John Keats was published, and this is the unsuccessful year for John Keats. Yes, and 40 essays are there in this particular collection. Next one. Who among the following noted for works that explore the Caribbean culture experience? He also received the Nobel Prize for Literature. V.S. Naipaul, Margaret Atwood, Derek Walcott, and James Joyce. So please learners, do choose the correct answer and do write on comment box. So learners, see the correct answer on your screen. So the correct answer is D, James Joyce. This is the correct answer learners. You can see James. Oh, really sorry learners, not James Joyce. So correct answer is V.S. Naipaul. V.S. Naipaul. This is the correct answer learners. Yes, he is known for Caribbean culture experience, and he also received the Nobel Prize for Literature. This is the correct answer learners. Yes, you can see on your screen. Next one. Memoirs of an Heiress is the subtitle of. So Memoirs of Heiress is the subtitle of Belinda, Cecilia, and then learners Evelina, Camilla. So learners, correct answer is, which one is the correct answer? So do choose the correct answer and write it down on comment box. Okay, learners, so see the correct answer. So correct answer is B. This is Cecilia. Cecilia. This is the work by whom, learners? Please do write the on comment box. आपको पता है किसने लिखा है? CECILIA. Cecilia by whom? So learners, please do write the answer on comment box. So thank you so much, learners, for the for coming in my video, for watching this video. And learners, next जो वीडियो आएगा, so next वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए फिर से 15 क्वेश्चंस लेकर के आऊंगा. And daily learners, ये practice session हमारा चलेगा. And learners, at the end of this class, one more interesting and important information for you. And what is that particular important information? So learners, जो मेरे paid courses हैं, so yes, you can join my paid courses at Unacademy. Okay, learners, and I am going to give you wonderful material, wonderful notes and best notes, learners. Yes, I am sure बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने मेरी क्लासेस को ज्वाइन किया and yes, they are quite satisfied. And I am going to make a perfect preparation for you, learners, so that कि आप अपने एग्जाम में बिल्कुल बहुत ही easily सक्सेस हो सके. So yes, learners, crash course is already running on Unacademy platform. So yes, you may join this crash course. And for upcoming UGC NET exam, you can join my complete course. That is for 6 months. And learners, within 6 months, I am going to cover entire syllabus within time. And learners, बहुत बढ़िया awesome notes and all the 10 units will be covered within time. So 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Learners, 6 month का जो charge है after 10% discount, that is 7560 only. And yes, learners, with the help of 7560, you may give the best touch, because learners, paper 1 and paper 2, both the papers with PDF notes, complete live practice session and all. And yes, learners, do not forget to download Unacademy, the learning application, and follow me there so that you can get time to time classes, because learners, daily free classes आती है मेरी Unacademy पर भी. Thank you so much.